In this video, I'll show you how to make pants on Roblox. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And let's get right into this guide. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, come to the Roblox website. And then once you're on the Roblox website, come to the top navigation bar where we've got these options here, and you need to go and tap on create. And the first time you tap on create, you're going to go and get this big banner about Roblox creations. Don't click on start creating. What you need to do is tap on manage my experiences just below that, and then you'll be taken to this page here. Then what you want to make sure is that my creations is selected, then come onto the left hand side and we've got this list of options here. Then what you want to do is go and tap on pants just like so, one from the bottom, and here we are. So now we can actually go and create these pants, and I'm going to guide you through exactly how you need to go and do it. So firstly, we need to go and download this template here. So as you can see, it says, did you use the template? If not, download it here. So tap download it here, just like so. And what we need to do is go and save this image to our computer. So to do that, all you need to do is right click on it, just like so, and then tap save image as, and your file explorer will open, and you can go and choose where you want to go and save this image. Just make sure you save it somewhere which is easy to find, because we're going to open it up in just a moment. Then once you've gone and saved it, what you need to do is go and open up a new tab. So here we are, and we're going to go and use a free online sort of photo editing or graphic design software called Photopea, and it's really easy to use, and I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know about it. So type it in Photopea, just like so, that's it. And as you can see at the top, photopea.com. Then here we are. Now let's go and drop our file in here. So I'm going to go and drag it from my downloads in Google Chrome, but you can go and find yours in your file explorer to drag it in here, or you can just tap open from computer and your file explorer will open again. So I'm going to go and drop it in just like so, and here we are. So the first thing I'm going to do is zoom in on this. So to do that, press on Control and plus, just like so, and then you can go and zoom in on the image just like so. And then what we're going to go and do is, as you can see at the top, we've got a torso. So this is for creating a Roblox shirt. And then at the bottom, we've gone and got the pants template, the right leg and left leg. So what we first need to do is go and remove this torso stuff. So to do that, I recommend coming over to the left hand side and going and pressing on this select button here. As you can see, it's called rectangle select. Tap on that just like so. Then what we need to do is go and select this area. So to do that, all you need to do is go and hold here, say in the top corner, then click on your left click and then hold and drag just like so, and select this whole area just like that, and then let go. And as you can see, it's now selected. And then what we're going to go and do is get the rubber tool like that, and we're going to go and make it a bit bigger. So if we can go and get the size on this top left here, go and increase the size so just huge, and there we go, we've now gone and removed it. Then to go and unselect that area we just selected, do Control D, just like that, and there we go. I did actually miss a bit there, so I'm going to go a slightly bit lower, just like that, to go and get that area I missed. And then I'm going to go and repeat that step to go and remove this up and down bit as well by pressing on the select tool, and then just going and highlighting it all just like so, dragging all the way down, and just like that. Then we can go and rub it out with the rubber tool, and perfect. Now we can go and focus on the pants. Now, as Roblox describes just here, Roblox actually goes and folds up these faces to go and create, the pants as well as the shirt. The shirt doesn't apply for this guide though. And if we go onto the left hand side here, as you can see, we can see where all these things go. So at the bottom of the feet are going to be D, which matches up here. And then the back's going to be B. So this is going to help you with designing, I guess, your character and your pants. So what we want to now do is go and do exactly what we did for the torso, and we want to go and remove these pieces here. So go and grab that select tool again, and let's go and remove them. So I've just gone and selected this here, so I'm going to let go and then go and rub it out once again. So there we go, we've now gone and removed the background, and if you're worried about wanting to know where things are going to appear, then what you can do is come back to the image, and as you can see, I can apply it. So these two lower pieces here were D, so I can know where things are going to line up. Now, what we want to go and do is actually go and get some sort of textures and things for our pants. So you want to firstly decide what sort of pants you want. For example, if you want to go and create jeans, chinos, or a certain type of texture you want to go and create your trousers with, or pants I should say, we need to go and decide that. So in this case, I'm going to go and create some jeans. So I'm going to go and open up a new tab and show you what to do next. So here we are, and what I'm going to go and do is type in jean material and sort of texture or something like that, just so we get the right thing, just like this, and then we can go and tap on images. Now, as you can see, we go and get this sort of different type of material. So we've got blue, dark, and of course you can go and specify as well if you wanted, say, like a black jean or a blue jean, you can go and type that in there. I quite like this texture here, so I'm going to go and tap on it just like so, and just like we did for the Roblox template, we need to go and save this to your computer. So right click on it just like so and press save image as, and your file explorer will open, and then it'll be downloaded and saved to your computer. So go and find it in your file explorer. So I can go and open up my file explorer and go and find it. Luckily Google Chrome puts it in your browser, so I can just drag it straight from my browser, but go and find the folder you saved it and then just drag it in from your file explorer just like this, and then it's going to go and appear. And now what we need to do is go and resize this. So I'm going to make it slightly smaller, and by the way, you'll need to go and press the tick just like so to go and confirm your decision of where you've changed it to. Then what you want to do is come onto the right hand side where we've got layers, and then we can go and change the order of these layers. So we want to go and put it behind the background just like so. That looks perfect. Then we can go and adjust it to go and make sure it fits perfectly. So what I'm going to go and do is go and lower this and make it a bit bigger because we've missed out some of the leg here. Then to go and adjust the size, what you need to do is press Control Alt T just like so, and then we go and get the sort of the size selector again, and then what you want to do is go and make it fit how you want it to fit. Notice you can see the bigger you get, like the texture gets bigger. So if you don't like that, what you can do is just make it smaller just like that, and then we can go and duplicate it for each side, which I'm going to go and do. So I want it to go and sit or look like that, so I'm going to make it slightly smaller as well, or I can do just like so. Then go and press on the tick button, once again the confirm button, and that looks just right. Then I want it to be on the other side, so I'm going to come over to the layer panel on the right hand side, right click this and go and press on duplicate just here, duplicate layer, and we've got another one now. And then what I can go and do is drag this one over here just like so, and that's looking really good. Now there's a few more things I want to go and add, so I just want to come back to the original template so I know where things are going to appear. And what I want to do is go and add a belt. So what I'm going to do is add a brown strip going around this. Once again, come back to the right hand side and go and tap on layers and go and create a new layer by pressing on new layer. Then what you want to do is go and grab that select tool once again, and I'm going to go and drag across the top of the jean just like this, and then let go just here. Then as you can see, it's been selected. And what we want to do is have a brown color. Of course, I could go on Google and go and search, like a belt texture, but honestly, I'm just gonna be happy with a brown color. So I'm gonna go and select a perfect brown color, probably using this side just here. So quite dark, something like that. Then hit OK. Then I'm going to go and tap on the paintbrush, and I'm going to go and color this in just here. I may actually go and make it slightly bigger by coming onto the left hand side and tapping on the brush button and then increasing the size just like so, just to do it quite quickly just like that. And then for the left leg, what I'm going to go and do is duplicate layer 1. So right click on it and then press duplicate layer. And then I can just go and drag it across just like so. Of course, make sure they're lined up just like that. And then you can go and use your keyboard to go and sort of shuffle it over just like so. And the final thing I'm going to do is just go and change the bottom of the feet. So if we come back to the template, as you can see, D appears at the bottom. So I don't want G of the foot. So what I'm going to do is create another new layer just like so, and then just go and make this black or white. I'll probably just go and make it black. So once again, I'm going to go and click on the select tool, and then I'm going to go and highlight it just like so, and then go and let go just there. And then what I'm going to go and do is go and select, I'll go for black just like so, and then go and color it in, and then I'm going to go and do the same thing on the left leg as well. And now I've personally finished, but there's so much more things you could do. You could go and add more textures, you can go and add more images, and literally tons of things. So just go onto Google Images and find stuff, and then go and drag it in just like I've done, and you can go and customize it. You know the basics. All you really need to do is be able to rub things out and resize things. It's really simple. So once you're happy with it, all you need to then do is go to the top left of Photopea and go and tap on File. Now, I recommend saving it as a PSD because this means you can then go and open it up again in Photopea and make further edits. Once you export it, you can't make edits as easily because it's like a finalized image. So when you're ready to export it and upload it to Roblox, go and tap on Export As, and then what you want to do is do a PNG because we've got this transparent area on the image. So press PNG just like so, and that looks perfect. Then go and tap on Save just like so, and make sure all of this stays exactly the same. Go and tap Save just like that, and then it'll be downloaded to your computer and it'll be in your downloads folder. And because I'm using Google Chrome, it appears in the bottom. Then what you want to do is come back to Roblox and come back to the Create tab, tap on My Creations, click on Pants, and now we can go and upload it. So tap on Choose File and your File Explorer will open. So go to your Downloads folder and find the image you just saved. So I've just gone and selected it now, and what I'm going to do is go and change the pants name to Jeans or something like that. Jeans Tutorial, just like so, and then tap Upload for 10 Robux. So you will need to go and spend 10 Robux on this, but of course it's pretty much worth it because you get your own pair of pants. Then as you can see, it's now appeared and it hasn't currently got an image like this one I've created before. And this is because Roblox have to process it. So don't worry about that. but you can actually go and list this for sale and also change some details. So I'll quickly show you that now. So all you need to do is go to the right hand side and go and tap on the settings cog, then press configure. Then it will take a moment to load and it's going to take you to this sort of Roblox creation place, and you can go and change the name. Which I could do again. I could also go and change the description, so like best pair of jeans or something like that, and then I could go and press save changes. And if you want to go and put it on for sale, then you can also do that as well. So tap on sale, just like so. You can then go and set a price, make sure you consider the creator earnings tax, and then you can go press save changes, and that's literally it. And then you can go and press back to avatar items, and it's going to show you all of your items. And if you want to go back to Roblox, just go and tap on the URL bar and go and type in Roblox again. And then if you want to go and wear them, then all you need to do is go and tap on avatar, just like so. And then once you're in avatar, go and tap on clothing, and you want to go to classic and then classic pants, just like so. And here we are, jeans tutorial. I can then tap on them and hopefully they're going to be applied. Or take a moment. As you can see, there they are. They look absolutely great. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.